Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Italian dressing from scratch. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need about 1/2 cup of good quality extra virgin olive oil, which forms the rich base. Then, prepare 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar for that classic tangy flavor. These two liquids are the foundation, and selecting quality options truly makes a difference in your final dressing. Now let's talk about the aromatic heart of your Italian dressing, the herbs and spices. You'll want to combine 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of dried basil, and 1/4 teaspoon of dried thyme. For an extra layer of flavor, include 1/2 teaspoon each of garlic powder and onion powder. A small pinch of red pepper flakes, about 1/8 teaspoon, adds a delightful, subtle warmth. Once all your ingredients are in, it's time to mix them thoroughly. Vigorously whisk everything together in a bowl or shake it well in a jar until the dressing is fully emulsified and slightly thickened. To balance the acidity, add about 1/2 teaspoon of sugar or a small drizzle of honey. Finally, season with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, adjusting to your preference. Your delicious homemade Italian dressing is now ready. For storage, pour it into an airtight container, like a glass jar, and keep it refrigerated. It will stay fresh and flavorful for up to 1 week. Before each use, give it a good shake to re-emulsify. Feel free to customize by adding fresh minced garlic, a squeeze of lemon, or even a different type of vinegar for your unique twist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.